Hello students, today we will see practical problems on union and intersection of two sets, right? We already learnt about all the operations of set, which are union, intersection, differences, right? So now we will go through some practical problems related to our daily life. In daily life routine, there are problems which are related to union, intersections, like operations, okay? So the formula, total 3 formula are used. So the formula in this section will also be used in subsequent chapter, which is probability. You already studied on your previous standard, but here there is also chapter number 16, which is probability, and these equations are used in chapter number 16 also. So now, first of all, always operations perform on two sets. We know that. So first of all, take A and B. Two sets are there. Let A and B the finite set. So the word is finite set. A and B be the finite set. Okay. So it is not infinite, which means A and B has some number of elements. And if A intersection B is equal to 5, if A intersection B is equal to 5, so there are total 2 conditions. First, A and B is finite set, and A intersection B is equal to 5. 2 conditions. First is A and B is the finite set, and A intersection B is equal to 5. Then you have to apply A union B is equal to N of A union B. N of A union B means number of A union B. We know that how we can represent the number of elements of the set. Like if you have to represent the number of elements of the set A, then we will write number of A, right? Small n and in parenthesis the set name. So number of A union B, N of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B. N of A plus N of B. This is first equation. But if these two are the condition, A and B be the finite set, if A intersection B is equal to 5, okay, the elements in A union B either in A or B, but not in both, as A intersection B is equal to 5. A union B, what we have to written in A union B? The elements of A as well as elements of B, but don't repeat it, right? But here what you have to write down? The elements of A either or the elements of B, but not in both. Why both? Not in both, because the second condition is A intersection B, and the condition of intersection is the elements which has to be present in both the set. So number of A union B is equal to number of A, number of elements of B, N of A plus N of B. This is the first equation which you have to remember. N of A union B, which is equal to N of A plus N of B, which means this is obvious that if you have to write down the total number of elements of A union B, then we know that number of elements of A and number of elements of B, because A intersection B is equal to 5, which means दोनों में तो वो होगा नहीं. सो जो भी नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए जो भी ए में होगा और बी में होगा, वो दोनों का आपको एडिशन लिखना है, क्योंकि दोनों में तो है नहीं, तो रिपीटेड का तो कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है कि रिपीट होगा तो उसको हमें सबट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा तो कुछ है नहीं. तो फिर यहाँ पे सिर्फ नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए एंड नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स ऑफ बी. ओके, नाउ in general, which means A intersection B is equal to 5 is not there, right? A intersection B has some elements, is not 5. So N A union B is equal to, in general, if A and B are finite set is the condition, but this is not the condition. A intersection B has some elements. Okay, so A and B two are of them are set, so some elements are present in A and some elements are as well as present in B also. So one is here, one is also here only, right? So A intersection B is not equal to 5, okay? So at that time you have to apply number of elements of A plus number of elements of B. We know that up to this, okay? And minus n intersects B. Why n minus number of elements of A intersect B? Because we know that इफ दोनों में होगा वो एलिमेंट्स तो एक बार इधर ए में आ गया होगा या फिर बी में आ ही गया होगा, तो उसका तो वो जो इंटरसेक्ट होगा तो वो आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, राइट? दैट्स वाई एन ऑफ ए प्लस एन ऑफ बी माइनस एन ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्ट बी. दिस इज द सेकेंड इक्वेशन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. इफ ए इंटरसेक्ट बी इज इक्वल टू 5 हो तो you have to only write up to this, okay? But if A intersects B has some elements, so you have to add one more, which is minus n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersect B. Okay, this is the second equation. Note that now set A minus B, A intersect B and B minus A are disjoint and their union is A union B, which means this portion. All this इसके अलावा जितना भी पोर्शन है वो ए यूनियन बी हो जाएगा. तो क्यों ऐसा होगा? क्योंकि दिस इज ए माइनस बी, राइट? ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ ए नॉट प्रेजेंट इन बी. दिस इज बी माइनस ए, ऑल द सिर्फ इतना ही होगा ये बी, ओके? दिस मच, ये कितना होगा? दिस मच पोर्शन. एंड दिस इज ए इंटरसेक्ट बी, वी नो दैट, ओके? सो these three are disjoint set. Disjoint set means no element is common between A minus B, A intersect B and B minus A. A minus B, B minus A and A intersect B. So this is disjoint set figure, okay? Now third and important formula, if A, B and C are infinite set. If A, B and C are finite set. A, B and C not infinite, finite set, okay? A, B and C are finite set, okay? Then अगर दो सेट हो आपके पास तो हमने देख लिया कौन सी इक्वेशन फॉलो होगी. लेकिन अगर आपके पास 3 सेट हो, डेली लाइफ में तो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. तीन के बारे में भी आपको पूछा जाए या फिर देर आर ओनली 2 प्रॉब्लम्स. सो इफ total 3 sets are there, A union B union C, then the equation is number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus intersect of these two minus number of A intersect B minus intersect of these two minus B minus number of B intersect C minus intersect of these two A and C plus number of all the 3 intersection A intersect B intersect C. Okay, this is the third equation. You have to remember this. Okay, it is easy to remember that. First of all, number of A plus number of B plus number of C minus n of A intersect B. You have to intersect it. Okay, then third minus n of B intersect C, then minus number of A intersect C plus n of A intersect B intersect C. Okay, this is the third equation. Now with the help of example we will see if x and y are 2 set, okay? If x and y are 2 sets such that x union y has 50 elements, okay? X union y has 50 elements, x has 28 and y has 32 elements, which means जितना भी आप रीड करते जाओ उतना आपको लिखते जाना है. अब x union y has 50 elements, which means n of x union y is equal to 50, okay? Then x has 20 elements. Second statement पे आ जाओ. So n of x is equal to 20 elements, okay? Then y has 32 elements, which means n of y is equal to 32. So now what you have to find, how many elements does x intersect y have? X intersect y have. So we have formula A इंटरसेक्ट बी आपको फाइंड करना है, विच इज़ नॉट इक्वल टू 5. सो आपको यूज़ करना है ये सेकेंड फॉर्मूला, एन ऑफ ए प्लस एन ऑफ बी माइनस एन ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्ट बी. सो यहाँ पे आपको एक्स वाई है. सो एन ऑफ एक्स इन एक्स यूनियन वाई इज इक्वल टू एन ऑफ एक्स plus n of y minus n of x intersect y. This formula you have to use. Now what you have to already given 50 is there, okay? This is 50. So n of x is there, 28. N of y is there, which is 32. And you have to find minus x intersect y. So at n of x intersect y is equal to, if we are taking x intersect y here and x union y here, so n of x plus n of y minus n of x union y, okay, which is 28 plus 32 minus 50. So answer is equal to 10, because you have to find x intersect y, right? You have to find x intersect y. So if we are taking n of x union y here and x of intersect y here, then n of x plus n of y minus x union y. So what is n of x? 28 plus 32 minus 50, okay? So 28 plus 32 minus 50, which is equal to 10, okay? I hope you understood with the help of example. We take one more example so it is more clear to you, that in a school there are 20 teachers. So total 20 teachers are there, right? Who teach maths or physics. Who teach maths or physics, which means or word is there, which means you have to write down union, right? Take M for maths and P for physics. So N of, you have to now consider each and every word. We have or over here. If and is there, then you have to write down M intersect P, okay? But we have or. So consider the definition, symbolically definition of union. So we have to take M, number of M union P is equal to 20, okay? Now, next statement. Of these, out of 20, of these, 20 teach maths, which means N of M is equal to 12, okay? N of M is equal to 12. And 4 teach both physics and maths. 4 teach both physics and maths, which means what you have to given? You have to given M intersect P, because both physics and maths. 4 teachers teach both physics and maths. So N of M intersect P is equal to 4. This much information you have already given, right? So what we want to find? How many teach physics? This is the question. How many teach physics? So you have to find N of P, right? N of P. So first of all, use the formula that N of M union P is equal to N of M plus N of P minus N of M intersect P. So you have to already given this 20, which is equal to, you have given only maths teacher 12. You have to find only physics teacher N of P minus intersection both the subjects teacher, which is 4. So N of P is equal to 12. Hence 12 teacher teach physics, okay? I hope you understood this. You have to only apply this formula in previous example also and this formula also. In previous formula, you have to find what? You have to find intersection in previous example. Here you have to find N of P, okay? From these 4, ये जितने भी आपको 4 टर्म्स दिख रहे हैं, ये 4 टर्म्स में से कुछ भी आपको फाइंड करने के लिए बोल सकते हैं, ओके? सो वी हैव टू रीड एग्जाम्पल केयरफुली, ओके? नाउ नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज in a class of 35 students, listen carefully, in a class of 35 students, okay? So total 35 students are there. 24 like to play cricket and 16 like to play football, which means take X for cricket and Y for football. So cricket, 24 likes to play cricket. So N of X is equal to 24, okay? And 16 like to play football. So N of Y is equal to 16, okay? Also each students like to play at least one of the 2 games, okay? At least one game, which means at least one game. So X union Y is the set of student. X union Y is the set of student means 35 students are there. So X union Y is equal to 35. So N of X union Y is equal to 35. So how many students like to play both cricket and football? Both cricket and football. word is cricket and football. So what you have to find? And word is there. You have to find x intersect y. So formula is simple. X union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus x intersect y. So write down x union y 35 equal to n of x 24, n of y 16 minus n of x intersect y. So n of x intersect y is equal to 5 is the answer. Okay. I hope you understood. You have total given 35 students, okay? In 35 students, from 35 students, 24 students like cricket, 16 like football, okay? So n of x is equal to 24 and n of y is equal to 16. Now, ऐसे भी स्टूडेंट है जिसको क्रिकेट भी पसंद है एंड फुटबॉल भी पसंद है, तो आपको वो स्टूडेंट फाइंड करना है जिसको दोनों पसंद हो. So formula, we have formula. So you have to find दोनों पसंद हो means cricket and football. So remember the symbolically definition of intersection, we have and word is there, right? I told you wherever I taught you the intersection and union and difference, the symbolically definition, okay? So you have to find x intersection y. So x intersection y is equal to 5, okay? We will see the more example of this in online section, okay, in online lecture, so it is more clear to you, okay. I hope you understood this.